Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical Movie Desk. I hope you all are enjoying. So today I'm going to show you one trick using which you can create a shortcut keys for your application installed on your computer or laptop. So you don't need to search them or you don't need to pin them in your taskbar. Just you need to press some shortcut keys, whatever you will assign to your application, and then it will get open. So let's start how you can do that. Suppose you have Outlook in your system. So what you need to do, and you want to you want to provide a shortcut key to open this Outlook. How you can do that? So you need to right click on it and go to properties, and here you can see options none. So suppose I want to provide shortcut key Outlook. Suppose like Control Alt O. So I will press O. So the Control Alt part would be default for everything, for every software to which you will give a shortcut key. So just press O or some other character which you want to give the shortcut key. Suppose I will press O, so it will be Control Alt O. So just to apply on it, do OK on it. So when you press Control Alt O, it will open Outlook. See, so it just opened Outlook when you press Ctrl Alt O. Similarly, for Excel, if you want to give a shortcut key Excel, so here you can click on character E. So it will create a shortcut key which is Ctrl Alt E. Then just to apply, okay. So when you press Ctrl Alt E, it will open your Excel. See, so it opened your Excel. So similarly, you can apply shortcut key for any of your applications by going to right click and properties and shortcut key. Just give a name to the shortcut key, like any character in the last you want to, and then just apply and OK. That's it. I think it is something interesting. Thank you so much for watching. To like, share, and subscribe my channel.